Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to disable bedtime reminder on YouTube app. And now let's dive right in. Now to disable the bedtime reminder on YouTube app, first open up your YouTube app on your phone. And after opening your YouTube app, guys, at the bottom right corners of the screen, you can see there's a U button available for us just beside the subscriptions button over here. Tap on the U button at the bottom right corner of the screen. And when this page loads, guys, at the top right corner of the screen you can see the settings or the gear icon available for us at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on that settings or the gear icon, and over here when this page loads, tap on the general, and you can see the second option, guys, where it says remind me when it's bedtime. Now this is your bedtime reminder on your YouTube app. Now in order to turn it off, tap on the toggle icon at the right side of it, and then your bedtime reminder app on your YouTube will be turned off, and then your bedtime reminder on your YouTube app will be disabled. And with that being said, guys, this is how to disable bedtime reminder on YouTube app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding your topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.